New Zealand students are lagging behind in maths despite a $70 million development program in schools. A review by the New Zealand Initiative found a lack of emphasis on basic facts prevents students from grasping more complex concepts later on. Emma Jolliffe reports.
Since the $70 million numeracy project was implemented in 2000, the maths results of New Zealand children in international tests have been trending down.
We're 2 school years behind Chinese counterparts.
Oliver Hartwich from think tank the New Zealand Initiative says emphasis has been on creative problem solving ahead of solidly learning basic facts like times tables.
We think you should have all the creativity in the world once you're firm with the basics.
It moved to looking at strategic thinking, problem solving, critical reasoning, and so it's really a question of how well schools are meeting the balance between learning basic facts and teaching those skills.
Hartwich points the finger at teachers.
But unfortunately, about a third of teachers can't even add fractions. We find that quite shocking, really.
That's something that we should be dealing with early on rather than once they're already in classrooms.
The principal of Howick Primary School says the government needs to take responsibility.
I think the ministry needs to look carefully at this report to say, is it time to be funding us much more adequately for professional development, specifically targeted at this?
Hartwich says there's a lot to be said for rote learning, like that demonstrated by Education Minister Hekia Parata on TV3's Paul Henry.
9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36.
The New Zealand Initiative says if you don't get the basics right, like the minister, you're trying to play catch-up with the failings of primary school throughout a student's life. Emma Jolliffe, 3 News.